my name is Mark Allison, Corporate Executive Chef at Forever Oceans, and I want to add simple, healthy dishes to your menu using simple ingredients that you've probably already got in the kitchen. I'm going to add some soy sauce, green onions, some Thai red chili, and some diced red onions, and that's basically it. And I'm going to let all of those flavors infuse with the fish in the refrigerator for the next 30 to 40 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, and then we're going to put it on the plate. We're going to take our poke, place it in the center of our dish. We're trying to take off some of the marinade. We don't need it all. Then we're going to take our piping bag and we're just going to carefully zip it over, and then we're going to finish this dish off with some red chili peppers. Instead of peanuts, I've got chickpeas for that extra crunch. And then we have some rice seasoning to go on the top. And basically there you go. Pokey, easy to make, simple ingredients that you've probably already got in your kitchen. Add it to the menu. Your customers are going to thoroughly enjoy it.